A very good morning to all of you. In today's science class, we are going to see that animal as a food resource. So let's start animal as a food resource. Human beings use the animal product as a protein source directly or indirectly. Eggs, meats, milk and the other products are directly used from the animals. Animals' products are a rich source of nutrients. So let's have a look at the different types of animal products consumed for their nutritional base. First one is milk. Cow, buffaloes, sheep, goat and the camels are a great source of milk. Milk is also called as an ideal food. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Second sources are eggs. Chickens, ducks, geese, and the quails are raised for eggs and meats. The egg is a rich source of protein and vitamin. The yolk of the egg is mostly made up of egg. It also contains vitamins, phosphorus, calcium, and iron. Third product is meat. Meat is of two types, red meat and white meat. The meat of the cow, goat, sheep and the pigs have a lots of fat and is called red meat. White meat contains less fat and is obtained from chicken and fish. White meat is healthier and can be easily digested as compared to red meat. Meat is rich in proteins, vitamins, zinc and phosphorus as well as in irons. So, these are the different types of food products which are obtained from the animals. The food which is made up from the milk like cheese, butter, chocolates, these are also known as dairy products. So, I hope you all have understood about animal product. So, thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.